Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Navien Tankless water heater is stuck in post-purge or keeps running the fan after use, it can be confusing and a bit concerning. Many users think something is wrong because the unit continues to operate even after hot water is turned off. In reality, post-purge is a normal safety feature designed to clear exhaust gases and cool internal components. However, if it runs too long or happens repeatedly, it could point to airflow issues, vent blockages, or sensor problems. The best part is that with a few simple checks, you can fix unnecessary post-purge behavior and keep your system running efficiently. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the unit power and wait a few minutes. Step 2. Check the vent pipes for blockages or debris. Step 3. Clean the air intake filter if your model has one. Step 4. Inspect for any error codes on the display panel. Step 5. Turn the unit back on to reset the system. Step 6. Run hot water and monitor if post-purge returns to normal.